Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about Hayati Pro Ultra product review. Right, so I have mentioned all this product here. We will just talk about the good reviews, bad reviews, and I will tell you the source too. So make sure you watch this video till the end. The first thing is that Hayati Pro Ultra is currently illegal to sell in UK due to non-compliance with the local regulation, specifically if it exceeds the maximum allowable nicotine strength and tank capacity set by the tobacco and related product regulations. Additionally, it lacks necessary products labeling and safety warnings mandated by UK. Right, so this raises a concern, right? Safety concern because you have the Pro Ultra does not meet UK regulation standards. Safety cannot be guaranteed, while other healthy products also that comply with the regulations are considered safe. Now, the product features, despite its legal issues, the Hadi Pro Ultra is marketed as a high-capacity disposable vape, offering up to 15,000 puff and available in various flavors. It features two 12 ml e-liquid pods designed for a satisfying vaping experience. And the market reputation is described as a genuine product manufactured to high standards. However, its legal status raises concern about this market reputation. Users are advised to be cautious and consider purchasing only compliant products from reputable sources. So, in summary, those who want those consumer who want the Hadi product, which is not available in UK or doesn't sell, which doesn't comply with the UK regulations, they may buy a defective product or a duplicate product, which is not exactly. It might be something else, right? So, in summary, I can say only that for now. And these are the several website here where they have mentioned the same thing, right? And this is where I have taken all this information here, and you can just read it by yourself here. So it's completely up to you. Always ensure products are purchased from reputable retailers and to reduce the risk associated with non-compliant vaping devices. And thanks for watching. Subscribe.